Welcome to Lecture 1, Chapter 1 in our 8-week journey through statistics. I want to welcome you to the course and to give you kind of a general overlay of what to expect from these lectures. These lectures are meant to be broad strokes across the content of the book. It's critical for your success in this class that you do read the book carefully, engage in the activities that are available in the book, so that by the time you come to the assessments, you're not caught off guard with the types of things that we're asking you to do. In an online statistics class, the majority of the responsibility to practice the material is on the student. It is not possible for me to work through the various equations in a lecture format, so we've chosen a book for this course that takes you through those steps very easily. When possible, I do make note in the lectures of particular elements of the textbook that you should pay attention to, but the lectures are meant to kind of be a guide and an organizing framework, and I've created a lot of mini lectures to correspond with the sections of the book that are covered. Now, the lecture titles do not correspond with the chapter sections in the book. So, for example, Chapter 1 has the introduction, Lecture 1.1, Lecture 1.2, and Lecture 1.3. Those do not correspond with sections 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3 in the textbook. So those are separate entities. Lecture 1.1 in this example discusses the nature of research. So in this lecture, you're going to learn about the types of research and the sources of data. This is about a 5-minute video. The second deals with the stages of research. So we talk about why we test hypotheses, and we talk about the method and the process of that endeavor, and then we briefly discuss measurement. That one is about 4 minutes. And then the last lecture for this class is kind of the function of statistics, and then it gives you a little bit of caveats about descriptive statistics in general. So this module you will move through very quickly. I encourage you to move through the first and the second module as soon as you can. Don't just think, I'm finished with Module 1, I'm done. You're going to be much more successful moving through Module 2 if you start working on it a little early. I want to welcome you again to the class, and I encourage you to take advantage of the resources that are available to you. You have the Revel, which is the digital text. If you want, you can ask the publisher to send you the paper copy of the book as well. There's also a tutor for the course. It's available via Skype office hours, and I want you to take advantage of those resources.